I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I swear that I love it. I swear that I love it. Not to be cocky, but.
Welcome back to another video with tatilashai here. In today's video, I'm about to do these faux locks. This girl on YouTube, she, well, I did faux locks before, but then they were, a little bit, you know, that was back then. And it took a little longer, well, not really, but I believe this is going to be very much so quicker than the way that I was going to do it. Right now I'm about to just part my hair and, you know, stuff. The Janet collection, they're 3X Mambo Rockin Locs 20-inch. I know they're so long. Janet collection 3X Mambo Rockin Locs. How I used to do them, I would just take like regular braiding hair, and what I would do, ooh, I like the way these feel. What I would do is I would take them, the regular braiding hair, and then braid my hair at first. But I'm gonna use these because I seen a girl in a video. Yo, these feel just like dreads, you know. But yeah, I seen how she did hers in the video or whatever. So I said, I'm going to try it and see. I'm going to let my edges last because, I mean, I kind of like how they're a little rough or whatever. But yeah, spray some more of this. Comb it out. About like halfway. And you just take it. Well, this is how I do mine. This is how I do my braids as well. Go around the other side, pick up your hair, pull it, and then wrap this around, and then start braiding. No, we can't fall no more. So now I'm gonna take some Marley hair, just regular, you know, Marley hair you get from the store as well, and I'm gonna put it up against there, about to here. And then I'm gonna start wrapping. Start wrapping it around. Okay. Then I'm just gonna take some more hair and then finish wrapping. And see how the ends are? These things are made like real dreads of the ends. Look, they're already sealed, so I don't have to work or do anything because they're already sealed. I know you saw, you left me lost. Now you can't call no more. They raise the bar. We still go hard. Remiss that talk, cause we can't fall no more. Oh, it's right. When the ball gone, bitch, fucking with your dog. All I'm doing is taking little pieces of the string of Marley hair and wrapping around that end so it stays secure. And we moving right along. I remember I used to burn these, but I don't have to anymore because look, the ends are like already sealed. So. And see, I like that ragged sort of look. Cause you know, I'm not really into the neat ones. 2 down, maybe 30 more to go. But we're moving along. It looks really good for the most part, but yeah. Far, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far, so good. Still wrapping. And like I showed y'all on some of them, I left them like, wait, let me show you. No, not that one. Okay, like, see how these are like single? And then the ends, this is how the ends look. They look like, I didn't have to tie off, burn off anything because of the ends are already like that dread look. But let me find one. Yeah, like this one. I left it like this. Cause you know how some people's dreads like split into two? I really like that look. I like that. So that's how I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna just wrap it around. Get a little piece of hair. A little piece of string hair, and then I'm gonna just take it. Come on. Let me get a piece of string hair and just take it around the part where my hand is, and I'm gonna just wrap it around that to seal that, so I won't have to burn it or do any of that. And I'm just wrapping around that, and that will secure it. So I just take like pieces of hair out of like a little ball or whatever, and see where this part is, and I just wrap right around to seal that. And that's so you won't have to cut it, burn it, or anything. And see, just like that. And then it's like this. And you see? And like I was telling y'all, I don't really care for I don't really care for the whole neat look. That's just me. I like the more, you know, actual kind of like dread-like look. I really do like that. So that's why I did them like this. I didn't try to be so neat to the point where they were just so perfect. I just, you know, left them with a little, you know, straggly look. And they still look good. I recently did my whole head. I'm finished now. And this is what they're looking like. I have a few long ones, a few short ones. Some, they're kind of split like I showed you guys, just to give it that more, you know, realistic look. They are not neat, they're not perfect, and I like them this way because I like kind of like that, you know, messy sort of type look. And I added a few blonde strings, you know, just to make it pop a little. And I didn't do them so perfect because you can still see the black pieces showing. Like I said, wasn't really going for the whole perfect look, just a little, you know, ragged. And I like it that way though. And I did them kind of medium size, a little big, what you guys see, like really in up close of what I'm doing. So I did these way, well, yeah, I did these way quicker than what was expected, but I really do like them.
Since I came in, they was trying to block the play. I know I'm not flawless, but going up being great. Y'all do shit the raw ways, you gon' have to eat that play. Made me cold and all this act like you wanna see me shake. It's raw, I know you saw. You left me lost, now you can't call. No more, they raise the bar. We still go hard, real men stand tall. Cause we can't fall no more. No, we can't fight 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 no more. You never get the pleasure to hold. Lay grade ain't shit on the road. You high if you think I'm low. Fuck shit on the butt, nigga, no. Did it plan when you could get your own. Boy, they came for free, I'm a bakery. All day my mind on dough. Since I came in, they was trying to block the play. I know I'm not flawless, but going up being great. Y'all do shit the raw ways, you gon' have to eat that play. Made me cold and all this act like you wanna see me shake. It's raw, I know you saw. You left me lost, now you can't call. No more, they raise the bar. We still go hard, real men stand tall. Cause we can't fall no more. No, we can't fight no more. came in, they was trying to block the play. I know I'm not flawless, but gon' end up being great.
Okay, so you guys, I am finally finished. I think I'm gonna leave these in because y'all know me, I'm just not with the whole, just keeping the styling for a while. But I believe I'm gonna just keep these in for a little good minute, and I'm gonna just continue, when the front start getting a little, tad bit looking, I'm gonna just do like around the perimeter, and for the most part I'm gonna just leave these in because I like these. I prefer these over braids. I really do. Not that there's anything wrong with braids, I just prefer these over braids, and I like them. And like I said, I did the little blonde streak. Not perfect or whatever, but just to give it a little pop, But yeah, for the most part I like it. Well, yeah, these are how you do some quick, easy Faux Locs. Faux Locs. Faux Locs. Let me get that correct. Faux Locs, because they are called Faux Locs, not Faux. Because it's F-A-U-X. I know a lot of people get that mixed up, but it's F-A-U-X. Faux Locs. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, you guys. Keep going up. Also like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Leave me some comments if you like these. Are they cute? Would you try them? Like I said, I got this idea from a girl off YouTube, and like I said, I did Faux Locs. I did Faux Locs like maybe 3 years ago, and I would leave that picture at the end compared to what I have now. I did them a few years ago, and I had to burn the ends. You can kind of see where I burnt them. For the most part, they looked good. For my first time doing them, I think I did pretty good, but it took me, y'all, it was forever. But these, when I say it was quick, easy, and I didn't have to go through the whole process of burning them because the ends are already sealed from using those, I forgot what they're called, those little Mambo Locs. Really made the whole process easier, quicker, fast. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Once again, like I said, keep subscribing. Go show a friend, tell a friend about my channel. Yeah. And you guys have a good day. See you guys later.
Say me too. Girl, you addicted and I need you. She say, babe, I'm